Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. Today we will learn how to swap the root volumes of two EC2 instances in AWS. This is very useful in several situations. Like example, if a server crashes or fails due to some boot issues or failed updates, you can detach and attach the root volume to recover the system. Okay, when migrating an application from one environment to another, swapping the root volume instantly transfers the operating system, applications, and all the configurations without any manual setup. Okay, so here engineers can quickly see how an application behaves on different instance types without rebuilding everything. Okay, in today's task we will launch two EC2 instance and we'll install small web application to differentiate them, and we'll create AMIs of both the instances as a backup, and then we can swap their root volumes and verify that applications are swapped between these two servers or not. Okay, so let's get started step by step. So here I'm just launching the instance. First one, give the instance name app1. Okay, and then select Amazon Linux 2 AMI, and next instance type T2 micro. Select if you have any existing key pair, or else you can create new one. Here I'm just creating a new key pair. I don't have any keys here. Click on create new pair and give the name and just create key pair. Okay, so after that, coming to the network settings, I'm just using all the networks default VPC subnets and the security groups. Okay, so inside the security group you must need to allow port 22 and 80, that is SSH and HTTP. Coming to the storage section, keep default 8 GB root volume. Okay, that is gigabyte, and then launch the EC2 instance. Okay, once you have launched the EC2 instance, we need to install Nginx web server. I'm just trying to launch another EC2 instance with the same fields what we have selected before. Okay, just try to do the same and install the app2 server. So currently I have two running EC2 instances. One is app1 and another one is app2 server. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds so that the status will be the running state. I just connected to my EC2 instance. Okay, so both app1 app2. Try to install Nginx web server by updating all the packages. Okay, so use the command sudo m update -y, so that it will update all the system packages. Later we can install Nginx web server. Okay, now just install the Nginx web server. Sudo m install -y Nginx, so that it will install the Nginx web server. Once we have installed, we need to enable the Nginx by using of sudo systemctl enable Nginx. Okay, and then just check the status of the Nginx. If it is inactive, just start by using of systemctl start Nginx command and then check the status again. Okay, so it is in running state right now. In the same way, we need to perform all the steps from another EC2, that is app2. We need to install Nginx and we need to enable it and check the status. It should be in running state from app2 also. Okay, and then I am just creating one simple HTML file so that it will redirect into the target path, that is /usr/share nginx/html/index.html. Please note down all the steps and perform same in app2 also in the other server, EC2 server. Okay, so if you see here, I am giving cat command and the target path file name so that we can able to see the content. In the same way I have done in app2 also. I have installed Nginx and you can see that the server is running here. Okay, so here we need to verify both the applications are running or not properly. Okay, so first what we need to do is copy public IP of app1 and open it in browser. You could see the hello from app1. Okay, just verify the outputs from both the EC2 instances. Here I am just going to create AMIs from both the running EC2 instances, because in the real-time production environments, system administrators never touch root volumes without taking the backup. That's why I am just going to create AMIs here. Okay, this makes more realistic and professional practice also. From app 1, go to actions and image and templates and create the image. In the both way, create two images. Okay, app 1 and app 2. Wait until both AMIs are in available state. These AMIs are for backup purpose, and if any swap fails and instant does not boot, you can quickly launch a new one from these AMIs. Okay, next go to EC2 instance and stop both the EC2 instances. Here I am just stopping both the EC2 instances. Okay, you can see that instance state is in stopping. Next I am just going to detach the root volume. Okay, so we cannot detach a root volume from that running to running EC2 instances. Okay, so after it is stopped, we need to detach the root volumes. Go to EC2 volumes. Okay, you can identify that and you can detach the volumes. Okay, wait until the both the volumes show available. Okay, one volume is in available state. Wait for few more minutes. Okay, we can see that both are in available state right now. Now I am just going to swap root volumes. Select app1's root volume and attach it to app2. Okay, select app2 EC2 instance and give the device name here. Okay, /dev/xvda. Okay, attach volume. In the same manner, select app2's root volume and attach to app1. Give the device name. Okay, /dev/xvda and attach the volume. So I'm just going to start both the EC2 instances. Wait until they are running and you can check the status, like 2 by 2 status check passed. Okay, so once the status is available or running state, you can check our data is existed or not, or you can check the status of the Nginx. Okay, by using of sudo systemctl Nginx. You can see the content of my target file, right? From app1 you can see hello from app2. You can check the with the public IP as well. Okay, take the public IP of app1 and you could see the output hello from app2. In the same manner, you can check public IP of app2. You could see the output from hello from app1. Okay, you could see here. Okay, continue to site, no problem. You can see hello from app2, right? Just to cross check another output also, I am just giving app2 public IP also to check the output. You can see the output hello from app1. Okay, so this proves that the root volumes were swapped successfully and the application were moved along with their disks also. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please comment it and I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye.